Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance on PC. First, install Binance Desktop or access the web app, then enable two-factor authentication and prepare ID verification. Next, connect a secure payment method and fund your account with small amounts to test trading. Learn to place market and limit orders, set stop loss, and withdraw to a personal wallet. Follow each step slowly, double-check addresses, and review security settings before trading live. In this video, I will show how to use Binance on PC. Begin by downloading Binance Desktop or opening the official site and creating an account. Complete identity verification with clear ID and proof of address to unlock full features. Set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for daily protection. Record backup codes securely and add a trusted device. Keep recovery details offline and never share verification codes with anyone. In this video, I will show how to use Binance on PC. After funding your account with a small test amount, learn to switch between market and limit orders based on your plan. Monitor order books and trade volume before executing, and set stop loss to limit downside and take profit to secure gains. Check fees and prefer lower fee tiers or maker orders when possible. Practice on small trades to build confidence before increasing position size.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.